In this video, I will tell you how to increase Coinbase debit card limit. So first you need to check where your current limits stand. Open Coinbase, tap your profile, go to settings and open account limits to see your daily and monthly caps. If you see any pending verification steps, complete them before anything else. That means verifying your phone number, confirming your email and submitting your government identification. Next, strengthen your profile. Add your legal name exactly as it appears on your documents. Confirm your residential address and upload a proof of address if requested, such as a bank statement with your name and address. Enable two-factor authentication with an authenticator app, set a strong password, and add a trusted device. These upgrades help risk systems approve higher limits. Then, build consistent account history. Make a few successful purchases within your existing limit, avoid reversals or chargebacks, and keep your payment method in good standing. If you use the card, make regular everyday transactions that clear without issues. After several successful cycles, revisit the limits page and look for an increase or a request review option. Finally, if your region supports manual reviews, submit the request and provide any additional documents asked for. When approved, your updated limit will display in the same limits section. That's how you increase Coinbase debit card limit. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like and subscribe.